Today, we're going to do a quick demonstration of the Azure Gateway Load Balancer with the cPacket cCloud virtual appliances. The diagram you're looking at right here is the basic scenario one that Microsoft depicts in their Gateway Load Balancer materials. The public load balancer forwards those packets onto the Gateway Load Balancer, and then the Gateway Load Balancer is sending those packets to a set of firewall appliances. This is the typical bump in the wire scenario for firewall appliances. With cPacket's cCloud solution, we can use the same scenario, but instead of using a firewall implementation to either accept or drop the packets, cPacket's cCloud solution enables packet level network visibility in conjunction with the Gateway Load Balancer. And the main function of the cVUV here is to both filter and mirror traffic to multiple downstream tools. We have our cStor-V packet storage and analytics appliance. This is doing real-time protocol analysis, as well as storing the packets and making those available for access at a later date, either by the operator for troubleshooting purposes or for other tools for forensic analysis. And then finally, just a quick overview. This is our Nginx virtual machine running that's sitting behind the load balancer. Now this, if I refresh this window, you can see that we're connected to our Nginx load balancer and that the traffic is coming up. And in another window, I have a whole bunch of IO happening in a loop, downloading a file full of zeros from that load balancer. Now in this screen, I also happen to be running TCP dump on our packet broker appliance and monitoring the Nginx web server with TCP dump also, just so we can see that traffic is in fact moving all the way through the system. All right, let's take a look at our appliances. So first of all, just looking at the Azure user interface, the Azure console, so we have our Gateway Load Balancer, and that is running here. It has its own internal front-end IP address. This Gateway Load Balancer is represented by this box in the diagram, and it is chained to the public load balancer. So next, we want to go to our cClear management appliance. You can see that we have a variety of cStores. We have a variety of cView devices, and we also have a whole set of network monitors that are monitoring for certain traffic around various points in the network. Now, the one thing that the cClear does that's really valuable is it allows us to go out to all of the cStores at once as a cluster and download an aggregated packet capture. Now, for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and download from our cStore device that happens to be capturing traffic at the moment. Just going to get 10 seconds of recent traffic. And we can apply a variety of filters here. In this case, we're just going to take a filter between any two destinations. And these are indexed with cPacket's indexing on the cStore. And we're going to go ahead and download that. And there it is. Okay, now that the packet capture is downloaded, I will open it in Wireshark. We can see that these packets have been decoded, and we can see the same zero data, the hex ASCII zero text data from the file download that is currently happening over in this window. And that concludes the demonstration of Azure Gateway Load Balancer with cPacket's cCloud visibility solution. Thanks for watching.